What's up, everybody? Excuse me. Hi, how are you? What's happening? What's popping? I hope you've been well. I hope you guys are getting along so well. My name is Carol Kuyo. So today we are at Nyali. This is Links Road, that is at Shell. If you kuja from town, you just say you want to get to Shell, and I'm shooting a video, a different kind of video, a food video. And the last time I shot a food video was in like 2 years ago. That was at shawarma. That was a video on shawarma at Damascus cafe, Damascus joint. Yeah, and it's one of the most viewed. Yeah, and it's one of the most viewed videos, which I think you should check out. But I don't know what I was doing in that video. But today I'm more intentional on trying out Vipingo Platter Bbq. Yeah, Vipingo Platter Bbq, which is located in Nyali and in Tudor. They have two branches. That is one in Nyali here and one in Tudor. Yeah, and okay, I have a few distractions, sorry, and the noise, I'm sorry about that. So yeah, I hope this is going to be a nice video. I hope it's going to be a yummy video. And leo tunapatia mwili pole. It's not like every day I want to go out and walk and go to places, no. So how much?
That 5.
Any mutton?
No.
Nundu. Okay.
I need 25.
Nini?
Platter medium.
Medium.
Yeah.
300.
No, it is 550.
550.
Yes.
Nice. It looks so good. And you know this, the chicken has been marinated with. Please tell us, what has the chicken been marinated with? Najua imewekwa mala.
Oh.
Najua imewekwa mala, tangawizi, saumu, tomato paste, yes. Chumvi. Oil, yes. Paprika. Manjano ni masala. Masala pia. So I'm expecting it to be yummy. This is chicken tikka. And I don't know if I would try this at home, because I feel like when you try some food, like some street food at home, they won't turn out the way you would expect them to taste like when you eat them on the street. So I'll just eat them per street. So now he's making the naan, which is going to be used in...
Kukula.
Hivyo, like, kocha, wait. Mimi naingiza hapo ndani ya naan. Oh, you can eat naan with the Mishkaki. Tunakula.
Oh, unakula? Vizuri, basi nzuri.
That is the meat being put into skewers. The right one is nundu, isn't it?
Mishkaki, nachanganya na nundu katikati.
Na kuna nundu pekee, isn't it?
Na kuna nundu plain.
Yes, then all of that, wow. So they've already risen, and he's trying to knead to make the naan, which will be made right there. Yep. Minutes to 6, and it's when the orders start streaming in plenty. So now he's trying to put the chicken tikka for round 2. That was round one, the first roast. Ile ilikuwa first roast. First roast. So this is the second roast, so that it can easier, like in a even can be well cooked. Yeah. So in your time, masaa ya kukula street food in Mombasa. So the sitting area, there's the outside part. There's those benches. Yeah. And then when you get in, there are more benches. Here are the 6. Yeah, pretty much it. But most of the guys go for takeaway, come for takeaway rather. Those are orders. That is the small platter, which is 300. One piece of chicken, chips.
5 sticks of Mishkaki and chips.
Yeah, awesome. So I'm waiting for my meal. I have ordered the small platter. Let me wash my hands. Sauces, guys. This is what is this? Okay, I don't know. It's a lot of things, yeah.
Mango sauce,
Mango sauce,
hot chili sauce, chili sauce, and tamarind sauce.
tamarind, then ukwaju.
Okay. This is tomato sauce.
I don't think I'll use this one. And some salad. Ooh. Looks so good. Let me take, I don't know if I should take a thumbnail at this point. Yeah. Maybe. Some sauce, some mango sauce. This is going to be my first bite. The same taste I left years ago. It's because it's been years since I took Mishkaki. It tastes so good. Chili is so hot. But good. My first bite of chicken tikka. I can't. The taste is so Swahilish, yani. It is so authentic, so good. I love them dry and crunchy. I love the roasted taste. Guys, this is heaven. Good food. Makes you close your eyes. That was some good ass meal. Woo. Wow. So guys, it's 6:23 and I think I will end the video here. But that was some good meal, and that was 300 bob plus without the soda. Yeah, and it was a good meal. A good meal, man. I think I'll do this more often just to take myself out, try out things, and yeah. So if you're in Mombasa next time, don't forget to pop in at Vipingo Platter Bbq in Nyali or in Tudor. And what else should I say? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I put up a video. And share this video to your friends. Let them know of awesome places to eat at in Mombasa. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.